Julie from Blue Sea Lighting. Today I'd like to show you how to use the cell phone app Wi-Fi to control all these pixel LED bar lights. Look, here are 8 pieces lights. First, I will show you how to set the slave lights. And second, I will show you how to set the master lights. And last, I will show you how to pair these lights. Choose one as the master light, the others as the slave lights. Let's go. Now let's set the slave lights. Turn it on. Welcome. Okay, menu. Let's choose wireless DMX. Make it clear. Remember, enter it. And then go to the master and slave mode. Make it slave, enter. Then back to the address code A0001, enter it. It's okay. Okay, make all the slave lights setting like this one. Then let's set the master light. Here we go. Let's set the master light. Turn it on. Welcome. Use the menu to choose the wireless DMX. Make it clear. Okay. Clear. Enter it. Then choose the master slave mode. Make it master. Where is it? Here. Yes, make it master. Enter. Okay, saved. Now let's pair the master light and the slave lights. Menu, choose the wireless DMX. Where is it? Here. Yes. Pairing. Enter. Now finished. Choose the program. Program. Yes, make it Wi-Fi and let's enter it. This is the Wi-Fi name. Each light has a different Wi-Fi name. For this light, it's LED 736. Okay, the master light setting is okay. Set your cell phone. Look, here is a code. And use your cell phone, the camera, scan. Yeah, here is the app. Just download it. Then setting. Here we can see a Wi-Fi name, LED 736, right? It's the name of this master light. Connected. That's okay. Then you can use your cell phone app. Here, LED lamp to control this light. Use the cell phone to control all these lights. Red, green, blue, white, yellow, purple. They're working well, right? Thank you. Thank you.